Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today's special project, it's my friend's 2007 I believe Toyota Camry. And as you know, with a Camry with over 230,000 miles, headlights gotta be looking like this. So I already did the other side. If you look over here, and you can see what a difference between the two. It's not perfect, but it's way much better than this. So the method I'll be working on today will be using sandpaper and clear coat. So what we are looking for, we'll do 1000 grit sandpaper because these doesn't have any neck, doesn't have any issues. It's just yellowed, and I'll be using plastic clear gloss with that. So we'll take you with me in the journey. And let's see how this will work. All right, let's get started. If you have a newer and nicer car and better shape and you care about the paint around it, tape around this. Don't scratch it. But this one's already, the clear coat is gone off the car, so it should not be a problem using it without. As you can look, it's still yellowed, so we need to go a little bit further until all the yellow goes off and start dripping clear. As you can see how the color is changing now, it's more white color rather than the yellow. That's how we can tell the yellow is out. Now, what we need to do is we need to dry it out very well and wait for it to dry. And we should have a haze, and it should be uniform. Should not see anything shiny in the whole thing. If you have any shiny spot, that means we did not sand enough through that area. So let's wait for it for a second, let it dry, and take a look. Alrighty guys, now as you can take a look here, it's all hazy, it's all uniform. It looks ugly, you say like, oh my god, what did I do? Don't worry, that's part of the steps. You gotta take it all down and build it up. So what we'll do, as I said, we are going to put 2 coats of clear coat in here. Now this one, it depends on how good you are with applying clear coat. I'm not the best, honestly. So I do light coats so it doesn't do any runs in them. So here goes nothing. Wow. Alright, as you can see, way much better. Anyway, this is just the first coat. You need to wait about 3 minutes or so until it gets tacky so we can apply the second coat. So I'll wait for that to get tacky, then we'll go to the next step. Alright, it's been a couple minutes here. So let's go and do another coat. Hopefully no runs. I'm praying. Cross my fingers. It's going to be a little bit heavier, so I'm going slower. But if you go too slow, you'll have runs. And I'm hiding in the garage because it's too windy outside. We don't want to mess it up. Alright, now we'll wait about 5 minutes or so. Let it dry. And don't touch it. Don't wash it. Don't do anything to it for at least a week. Because this is a 1K primer, not a 2K primer. It needs time to cure. It does not have hardener in it. Okay? Hopefully this video is useful and beneficial for you. If you like it, please like the video, share it with your friends. If somebody have an issue like that, you want to show them how to fix it, and subscribe to the channel to encourage me to do more videos for you like that. Again, thank you for watching and have a good day.